Good day, traders. Today we're introducing a tool designed to help you analyze market relationships with greater accuracy and efficiency. The spread indicator for the NinjaTrader platform. The spread indicator tracks the price difference between two financial instruments, providing insights into market imbalances and supporting the development of arbitrage strategies. You can choose the calculation mode clean, which shows the direct price difference, or normalized, which applies a coefficient based on a simple moving average, SMA, allowing for more appropriate comparisons. You define the second instrument for analysis, set the smoothing period, and optionally activate a custom ratio if you want full manual control over the relationship between the instruments. Available parameters include spread calculation mode, clean or normalized. SMA period defines the smoothing length for the spread line. Second instrument, ticker symbol for comparison. Use custom ratio. Enable or disable. Custom ratio value. Enter manually if needed. The indicator provides three data series: spread, the actual price difference; SMA spread, the smooth spread line; StdDevSpread, standard deviation reflecting volatility. On the chart, you can observe how the indicator responds to market changes when switching between instruments and modes. This visual feedback helps identify deviations and make informed trading decisions. The spread indicator is well suited for pairs trading, futures arbitrage, and analyzing correlated instruments. It can be displayed as an overlay on the price chart or in a separate panel. Integration with other indicators and automated signal generation is also supported. You can try the spread indicator free for 7 days. After the trial period, a subscription is available at $29 per month. If you're looking to deepen your analysis of market relationships and enhance your strategy's effectiveness, the spread indicator is a reliable addition to your trading toolkit.